Hello, and welcome to English Made Easy, the podcast where we help you learn English naturally through real conversations. I'm Penny.
And I'm Andrew. It's great to have you with us again. So, Penny, I was thinking today we could talk about how our lives have changed, especially things we used to do in the past.
Oh, that's a fun topic. Our lives were so different when we were younger. For example, I used to play the piano every single day after school. And now? I don't even remember where my keyboard is.
Seriously, I never knew that. I used to play cricket at weekends. I wasn't amazing at it, but I loved it. These days, I just watch cricket on TV. It's easier. And I don't have to run anymore.
So, if you're listening right now, notice how we're using used to. We use used to and the base verb to talk about habits or states in the past that are not true anymore, such as I used to play the piano. I used to play cricket. Both mean we don't do those things now.
Exactly, and you can also use it for how you were in the past. For example, I used to be really shy. Now, I talk too much.
That's true. You used to be quiet and now you don't stop talking.
But Penny, isn't there another way to talk about past habits?
Yes, we can also use would and a base verb, but there's a difference.
Right, would is only for past actions, not states. So we can say, when I was at university, I would wake up early and go for a run. But we cannot say, I would be shy. For states like be, love, know, have, we use used to, not would.
Exactly. And would often sound nostalgic, like telling a story from the past. Listen to this. When I was a child, we would visit my grandparents every Sunday. We would eat ice cream and watch cartoons together. Can you hear that storytelling feeling?
Yes, it feels like you're reliving a memory. It has emotion in it.
Andrew, when you were a teenager, what did you use to do after school?
Hmm. I used to hang out at the park with my friends. We would buy snacks, sit by the lake, and talk for hours. No responsibilities, no stress, just freedom.
That sounds amazing. I used to read teen magazines and dream about living abroad. Now, instead of dreaming, I work.
Yep. Welcome to adult life.
A lot of learners say this incorrectly. I didn't used to play football. But the correct form is, I didn't used to play football. No, ed after didn't.
And remember, we don't use would in questions or negatives. Did you would play music? Is wrong. Did you used to play music? Is the correct form.
Only used to work in questions.
All right, let's do a quick recap before we go.
Used to, for past habits or states that are different now. I used to live with my parents. I used to like chocolate.
Would, for repeated past actions often used in stories. When we were kids, we would ride our bikes every evening.
Don't use would with states like be, love, know, or have.
And for negatives and questions, use used to, not would.
That's it. Now you can talk about your past habits like a native speaker.
If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. We've got more simple and useful English episodes coming soon.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.